Good day, sir. This is our Project 5 in Bacpor. Plans and programs on how to achieve sustainable development goals in terms of citizens' acceptance of social responsibility. Ang paggamit ng mga sustainable development goals ay nakasalalay sa isang pangunahing pagbabago sa kung paano nakikita at nakikibahagi ang mga mamamayan sa pananagutan sa lipunan. So here's a detailed plan and programs outlining key strategies to achieve the sustainable development goals through citizens' acceptance of social responsibilities. SDG Goal Number 1, No Poverty. Microfinance programs empowering individuals, particularly women, with small loans to start business. Livelihood training. Offer livelihood training for the unemployed individuals. Access to educations. Build classroom and public school or offer scholarship to the youth. SDG Goals Number 6, Clean Water and Sanitations. Water facilities constructions. Build water facilities in communities that doesn't have access to clean water. Health and hygiene training. Provide health and hygiene training to the community, promoting and good hygiene practices to prevent waterborne diseases. SDG Goals Number 2, Zero Hunger. Urban Gardening Initiative, encouraging urban agriculture to increase food security. Food Waste Reduction Campaign, promoting awareness and practical tips to reduce food waste. Sustainable Agriculture Practice, supporting farmers in adopting sustainable farming methods. SDG Goals Number 13, Climate Actions. Tree planting. Organize tree planting activities. Climate Change Awareness Campaign. Conduct climate change awareness campaign. Renewable energy project. Implement renewable energy projects. SDG Goals Number 7, Affordable and Clean Energy. Renewable energy initiatives supporting the adoption of solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources. Community-based energy solutions, empowering communities to generate their own clean energy. So, ang mga planong na ito ay nagbibigay ng isang roadmap para sa pamahalaan, negosyo at mga civil society organizations upang magtulungan at bigyang kapangyarihan ang mga mamamayan na maging aktibong kalahok sa pagbuo ng isang magandang kinabukasan para sa lahat.